What's up YouTube, welcome back to Crafting Cars. Today we're going to be giving the RX-7 a car wash, getting the wiring harness off of the LS1 as well as draining all of the fluids out of it, and that should get us to a really good spot to where we can finally start tearing everything down. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, now that the car is all clean, let's get this wiring harness off of here. I already took the power steering pump off, as you can see. So now all that can go bye-bye. Yeah, let's get this wiring harness off. And there we have it. The wiring harness all taken off. I already told you I took off the power steering pump and whatnot. I also took off the alternator and the water pump. And now it's finally starting to look like an LS engine. How about that, huh? Got the headers all off, everything's off. Looking so much better. Alright, let's get this oil drained. And just like that, that is all that I have for you. The oil's all drained. The oil looks brand new, nice and fresh. I did notice that the water pump was leaking a little bit around the gaskets and stuff, just because the bolts were a little wet and whatnot. So that's a good indication that they were leaking. But yeah, other than that, got a lot of progress done. Got this all torn down. Super excited. Gonna be pulling the intake manifold off and then also the cylinder heads off probably in the next video, and assessing all that stuff so we can finally get some parts coming for this engine after, like I said, we assess how everything looks and where everything's at. But on a side note, I hope you guys like this style video. It was a little bit more just bits and pieces, not quite so much explanatory. I try to cut a lot of the chit chat out, but if you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments. If not, let me know in the comments. But if you did like the video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.